Aditya Kumar, start with your self-introduction and about the topic.
Respected sir and my dear friends, my name is Aditya Kumar. I am from Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 10 plus 2 education with PCM stream from UP board. My father is a diligent farmer and my mother is a good dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are reading newspaper, running and playing outdoor games like volleyball, cricket, etc. I want to join Indian Army. Why? Because it is a great opportunity to serve our nation and its logo to touch the sky with glory encourage me. Thank you. That's all about me. I would here we discuss about the topic. The topic is old age homes. Old age homes means that it is such platform where many people are care for the old adults like medicine care, food care, and many housekeeping care. As we know that friends, old age homes are increasing day by day in India as well as all over the world. So friends, it is a good step for the welfare of adults. As we know that friends, brain drain is a main cause of to increase old age homes. Thank you.
Next candidate, chest number 17.
Jai Hind, respected sir and my dear friends. I am Salini. I am from Mathura, UP, which is famous for the birth of Lord Krishna. I have completed my class 10th and class 12th from MBA Minto College, Nagoda, Mathura. At present, I am pursuing BSc first year from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University. There are 6 members in my family. We are 4 siblings, 1 brother and 3 sisters. My father name is Sushil Kumar. He is a farmer. My mother name is Hemlata Devi. She is a dedicated homemaker. My hobbies are playing games and doing yoga. My life aim is I want to serve myself in Agniveer Vayu because it is a great opportunity to serve for our motherland after completing from our class 12th. Thank you, sir. That's all about me. Now, friends, I coming to our GD topic. So today topic is old age home. Old age home means the retirement houses and old people home. Some say that old age home are for safety and look after them and look after them. But at the same time, it shows the indifference of youth toward their parents. Thank you.
Next candidate, Ajay Gill.
First of all, a very warm good evening to all. That my name is Ajay Gilla. I am from Didwana, Rajasthan, which is famous for Salt Lake. If I talk about my qualifications, that I complete my intermediate exams in 2023 with 89%, and now I am pursuing BSc first year. If I talk about my hobbies, that I would like to play cricket and solve the mathematical puzzles. My short-term career goal is join Indian Air Force as an Agniveer, and long-term career goal is join Indian Air Force as an officer. So today we are going to discuss the topic about old age homes. Old age homes are also we have many merits and demerits also, because all the things have merits and demerits. First I talk about the merits of old age homes. That old age homes, the old persons are meet their friends and many other their same ages as in the old time, and the facilities of old age homes are very good for old persons. They have time to time checkup, medical checkup, and the fruits are also always we gives them. But many disadvantages that the old persons are want to need the support of their family. But many persons think that the burden of a old person is on them, but it's not. That all the persons are to be aware about the topic of old age homes are to be safe or unsafe. It's not, it's depend on old age homes owner. Thank you.
Okay, next candidate, Nikhil Sharma. Nikhil Sharma. Okay, next candidate, Aniket Kumar. Continue, Aniket.
Hello. Jai Hind everyone. My name is Aniket Kumar. I am from Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for woodwork, furniture work, and also famous for Masakumri Devi Fair. I have recently completed my BSc with PCM from CCS University. and I have also got academic career in 10th and 12th standard also from UP board. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a shopkeeper and my mother is a private teacher. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives a well adventures and disciplined life. It is not only a job, it is a way of life. Today our GD topic is old age homes. In old age homes, when the old persons live in there because they can't create a burden on his child and relatives. In old age homes, the pros of the old age homes is the old persons live in there and they eat food at a proper time, proper management, and the facility of the medical is very close because in a critical situations the doctors and the medical team will be available in old age homes because the old person's situations is very critical because the BP and many other issues are critical for the old age persons. And the issue of the old age homes, the grand persons will live with their grandchilds and they play with, but if the old age homes they live, they miss this opportunity. Thank you so much for the discussion, GD.
Next, Nishu Yadav.
Yeah. Good evening, friends. My name is Nishu Yadav. I am from Alwar, Rajasthan. My qualification is I completed my intermediate from Career Vision Senior Secondary School, and now I am pursuing graduation from RR Autonomous College, Alwar. There are 5 members in my family. Apart of my parents, I have one younger brother. My father is a shopkeeper, and my mother is a homemaker. My hobbies are playing cricket and do yoga practice. Now I'm coming on the today's GD topic, that is old age home. As we all know that old age home means the we are sending our parents to the old age home. It is done by that peoples who is not able to grow their family. Many, we all know that in this time the many what happened with the many people, they send their parents to the old age homes. It's a place where we can send our parents and grandparents, the peoples who is not doing well in their family, so they are sending their parents. And it's happening, mostly it's happened in the southern part of the India, because we all know that in Kerala and other states also, they are going to the abroad country to earn money, and they are living there in the foreign countries. After then, they what happened with their parents, they went to the old age home. Thank you, sir.
Now, next candidate, Jayasri Krishna.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Priyam Yadav. My father's name Mr. Sachendra Kumar is a farmer. I am from Etawah, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed class 12th with PCM in state board. I am pursuing graduation from Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj University in Kanpur. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives adventurous life. Dear all friends, we are here to discuss on the topic old age homes. Old age homes are meant for senior citizens who are unable to stay with their families and their relatives. Old age homes are good because old age homes can interact, make friends and enjoy together. Old age homes nurse and caretakers are always provided their individually care for their condition and kind of sickness, disability of medical help. Old age homes, the elder get to a life dignity. Medical facility are also available immediately available in old age homes and make it easier for the elderly in case of emergency. Thank you.
Okay, next candidate, Harshit Saxena.
Jai Hind, respected sir and my dear friends. I am Harshit Saxena. I am from Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed 10th and 12th from Ram Kishore Singh Inter College, Bondar, Fatehpur. At present, I am pursuing BSc third year from Rajju Bhai University, Prayagraj. My hobbies are I like to play badminton, carom, and reading novels in my free time. My life aim is to I want to serve myself in Agniveer because it is a great opportunity to serve our motherland after completing our class 12. That's all about me. Thank you. Now, friends, I am coming to our topic. Old age homes. Friend, old age homes also known as retirement homes. In the old age homes, there are come to old peoples which are retired, which are get retired their services, and which are not get proper proper environment and proper love, care, affections to their child. They are coming there, uh, they are coming there for their cares, and there are available all types of faculty like medical faculty and food faculty, etc. Friends, in this era everyone involved in their work, many people involved in their jobs, and many people involved their business. So friends, the child not gives proper attention to their parents. It's main cause of increasing
Okay. Next candidate, Shiv Kumar. Next candidate, Shiv Kumar. Okay, next candidate, Chaudhary ji.
Jain sir, Jai Hind dear all. I am Prem. I belong to Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. If I talk about my educational qualification, I completed my 12th from UP board. Now I mention my family. There are 5 members in my family, my parents and 3 siblings. After wrapping the paragraph, I want to say that retirement home is a private facility designed placed to according to individually in their senior years. This housing project are not similar to old age homes. Early old and abundance live in a developer state. And friends, these retirement homes are the vibrant space that take care of foods, housekeeping, health care, and security, which allows senior people to enjoy their old age. Thank you.
Okay, next candidate, Nirbhay.
Hello everyone, my name is Nirbhay Pratap Singh. I belong to Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I had completed my intermediate in 2022. Now I am pursuing my bachelor degree from Kanpur University. I have 4 members in my family. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is one of the way to serve our country. It's all about me. Let's come to the topic, which is old age home. Old age home is a residential facility for elderly people who cannot live independently or who choose to live in a community with others of similar age. It had originated in the 19th century as a charitable institution. Old age home aim to provide a supportive and caring environment, allowing senior to live with dignity and as much independently as possible while receiving the care they need. It also has some negative things like emotional impact, low quality of care, limited personal space, and also health risk. Thank you.
Okay, next candidate, Rohit Rathod.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Rohit. I belong to Hardoi located in UP. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a perfect homemaker. I have done 12th from Kanpur, BA recently from Kanpur University. My hobby is playing cricket and reading newspaper. I have done. As about me, dear friends, we are here to discuss about the topic of old age home. Old age home people is a very interesting people, is a very powerful people. Old age people is a very connected of the very far people can enjoy both. But present time, as we know that our education system is not good and huge people will not care of the old age peoples and throughout the another sides, and old age peoples want to the care of his peoples and need of the people of the love. This is main cause of the old age people is throughout another sides. Jai Hind.
Next candidate, Pooja.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Pooja Kumari. I belong to Rajasthan, which is famous for its historical places. I have completed my schooling in 2022. Currently, I am pursuing graduation. My hobby is to play Kho-Kho. I am physically fit and mentally sound. My father is a farmer and my mother is a dedicated homemaker. I want to join Indian Air Force because I am very much inspired by squad leader Avni Chaturvedi ma'am, and at the same time provide opportunity to start the career and serve the nation in very low age. Now come to this topic. This topic is old age home. Old age home means retirement homes, and and old people's home. Some people say old age home also provide the medical facility, food facility, and many facility, all facility provide to old people. And at present is new for in our country. And many old people is not better, not better feeling in old age homes. And some advantage and disadvantage we can discuss in our GD part.
Next candidate Ismaratu Odisha.
Jai Hind, respected sir and my dear friends. I am Shruti Ranjan from Odisha, Cuttack, which is famous for Baravati Stadium. I am completed my class 12 from Salapur Secondary School and I am currently pursuing graduation from Salapur Autonomous College. My hobbies are like playing cricket and reading newspaper in free time. I want to join Agnivir Bayu because it is a great opportunity to serve our motherland after completing our class 12. Thank you, friends. This is all about to me. Now I am coming to a GD topic which is assigned to us, that is old age homes. We know that old age homes means that homes of old people, the thinking of old age peoples in villages, and the boys who send their parents in villages place of city area. And old age homes are a boon for old people in today's modern world. And the old age homes prove be a better option where the old people can meet at others of the same age people. And when these old peoples are left alone in the houses, so when their children are away from home, so that can cause stress and depression also, and give rise to loneliness, etc. Thank you.
Next candidate Ashutosh Singh.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Ashutosh Singh. I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 12th PCM from UP board and now I am pursuing my graduation. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. I want to join Indian Air Force because his duty and discipline are always attached to me and I want to serve our nation. That's all about me. Now we are here to discuss on the topic. The topic is old age home. Old age home known as the retirement home. Old age home for senior citizens who are unable to stay with their family and relatives. And old age homes are good because old age home people can interact with each other and make friends, enjoy together. And old age home person, they do not feel like a burden any of their relatives. In old age home, medical facilities they are provided, any medical facilities and the cloth. In old age home, nurses caretakers provided individual and they provide medical help. Thank you.
Next candidate Shivam Gujjar.
Jai Hind, respected sir and my dear friends. I am Shivam Gujjar. I belong to Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for 1857 revolution. I have completed my class 12 from AS Inter College, Mawana, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. At present, I am pursuing BCom second year from Chaudhary Charan Singh University, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. My hobbies is playing cricket, and my life aim is to I want to serve myself in Agnivir Vayu because it is a respectable job and respectable job in our society. Thank you, friend. That's all about me. Now, friends, I am coming to our GD topic. Our GD topic, old age homes. Friends, we know that old age homes means the homes of old people's all livings. And the biggest advantage of the living in old age homes is the medical care and support which old age homes providing. And the best part is old age homes have have ups with Smriti and hospitals and medical centers. And one of the factors that make old age homes attractive to elders is compensatives. They are in the contest company of the people's their own age. Thank you, friends.
Next candidate Sagar Kumar.
Jai Hind, sir, and my dear friends. My name is Sagar Kumar. I am from Uttar Pradesh. I passed class 12th from UP board. There are 5 members in my family. My father is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. My hobby is playing cricket. Uh, my strong point is that I am hardworking. I want to join Indian Air Force because I serve the nation. Today is my topic: old age home. Old age home is called a retirement home and old person's home. Many old men and women are lived together in old age home. Parents work hard in entire life, so they never uh, hesitate spend for the better future of kids. But many kids throw out the home. So in this case, old age home is in case old age home are best place uh, for Janja birth.
Next candidate, Anubhav.
Jai Hind, respected sir and my dear friends. My name is Anubhav from Badai, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for many historical buildings. I have passed my 12th examination from RKSB Inter College and currently pursuing Bachelor of Arts second year from HSD College. My hobbies are playing cricket, piano and volleyball. I wanted to join Indian Air Force as I have enthusiasm to do something for my country. That's all about me. Now coming on to our GD topic, which is old age home. Friends, old age home is a place in which old age people provides many facilities as like health facilities, but the main things that the old age people wants the love from their children is nothing there. And if we be talking about the reasons of sending the old age peoples into old age home, then there are many reasons as like narrow mentality of the peoples. And nowadays we are seeing that the parents spend a lot of money to educate their children, but after getting a job and going by outside their homes, the parents send their parents into old age home. There are many issues which I will continue my GD. Thank you.
Next candidate, Ayush.
Jai Hind, respected sir and dear aspirants. I am Ayush Malkoti from Podigaral, Uttarakhand, as known as Devbhumi. I have completed my 10th class from Government Higher Secondary School Malkot and 12th from Janta Inter College Kamalpur, Sanglakoti. At the present, I am pursuing BCom second year from SOL Delhi University. Beyond academics, cricket and rap music are my passion. It gives me avenues for both physical and mental expression. With an unyielding desire to serve our nation, my life aim is to join Agniveer Vayu, where I can contribute to the defense and security of our beloved country. Thank you. That's all about me. Now come to our GD topic, which assigned to us, and our GD topic is old age home. So, friends, we know that old age home refers to where the especially old age people lives their last age of their life. Friends, we can also say old age home is a professional home where they get medical care and daily life care and food and other important activities. Friends, in the old age home where the old people get many type of facility, so it is a good initiative, but also it has many demerits. So in the further discussion, I will talk about.
Next candidate, Aisha Shukla.
Jai Hind, sir and my dear friends, my name is Asha Shukla. I have done my schooling from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Kanpur Dehat. I would love to sing songs and playing badminton. There are 4 members in my family, including me. I'm self-motivated, goal-oriented, and passionate about my work. I'm ambitious to join Indian Air Force because it gives us a platform to serve the nation with glory. At the same time, it ensures job security as well. Now move on to our topic, which is old age homes, or it is also said that retirement homes. It is a kind of usually a place or a home for those old people who have no one to look after from their family, or those who have been thrown out of their homes by their own houses by their own children. And old age homes also provide us many facilities and provide us a basic life need to survive, as they for their routine, as like they provide a food, clothing, and a shelter. There is negative and positive aspect both, but I will discuss in GD.
Next candidate, Priyans Chaudhary.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Priyansh. I belong to Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, which is also known as Sports City of India. I have passed my class 12th from CBSE board. Currently, I am pursuing Bachelor in Art from CSS University, Meerut. My father is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. My hobby is playing cricket and listening music. Today, our GD topic is old age home. Old age home is also known as retirement home. The concept of old age home is relatively new in India, but it is the digital age where aged parents are left alone while their children go abroad to live and work. So, with the changing time, people's living in city are increasing, opening themselves to the idea of old age home. Safety is definitely an issue for senior citizens. There are chances of intruders or robbery when the parents or senior citizens left alone at home. So old age home provide them security. And some old age home also provide individual care for their condition of any kind of sickness, disability, or medical condition. Nurses and caretakers make sure that they are comfortable in old age home. Thank you.
Next candidate, Prashant.
Jai Hind, respected sir and dear friends. I am Prashant. I am from Unnao, which is located in Uttar Pradesh, and I have completed 10th and 12th from KPIC Bigapur, Unnao. At present I pursuing BSc third year from Mahapraniral Degree College, Osia, Bigapur, Unnao. My hobbies are listening song and reading book. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's provided discipline, dedicated and adventure life. Thank you, friend. That's all about me. Now I am coming to our GD topic, which is assigned to us: old age home. Old age, friends, we know that India is a country with high population, so many parents are suffering from many critical situation due to they educate their son, but the son has get the governmental job, they forget their father. So old age home work for welfare of nation and provide many facilities like health facility, food facility without any fraud. So old age home is good for our nation. Thank you.
Next candidate, Omji Shukla.
वेट सर 2 मिनट में आता हूँ अभी आप दूसरे से करवा लीजिए
Next candidate, Rudra. Next candidate, Rudra. Okay. कैंडिडेट्स, मेरे अकॉर्डिंग सभी कैंडिडेट का सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन एंड अबाउट द टॉपिक हो चुका है, ओमजी शुक्ला के अलावा. तो अभी हम लोग अपना
मैं स्टार्ट कर दूं.
ओके, स्टार्ट.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Omji Shukla. I am 18 and a half year old. I am born and brought up in Auraiya district situated in Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my 10th and 12th from UP board and currently pursuing my graduation from Chhatrapati Savaji Maharaj University, Kanpur. In my free time, I used to listen music and hanging out with my friend. Talking about my family, we are 4 members in my family. My father is the government teacher and my mother is the dedicated house lady. We are 2 siblings. And my reason for the join Indian Air Force is becoming a part of the Indian Air Force is like a feeling proudness for me as well as my parents. Thank you. This is all about me. Now we just move on the topic, which is old age home. The concept of the old age home is relatively new in India. Old age home means for senior old age home. Old age home meant for senior citizen, a permanent stay for the senior citizen who are unable to stay with their families or their relatives. In old age homes, the elders get to live a life of dignity and they don't feel like a burden on any of their relatives. They are also treated respectfully by their own community. Thank you.
ओके कैंडिडेट्स, अभी आपका सभी का सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन एंड अबाउट द टॉपिक हो चुका है और मैंने आपका सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन एंड अबाउट द टॉपिक का रिजल्ट भी तैयार कर लिया है. वो रिजल्ट आपको बताया जाएगा सेशन के लास्ट में. ओके. और अभी आप लोग जब आपका डिस्कशन होगा तो कोई भी फिश मार्केट नहीं बनाएगा, ताकि मैं जो आपका रिजल्ट है वो अच्छे से बना पाऊं और मैं भी आपको अच्छे से सुन पाऊं और आप भी एक दूसरे के जो पॉइंट्स हैं उनको अच्छे से समझ पाए. तो आपको बिल्कुल भी फिश मार्केट नहीं बनाना है. और एक बात यह है कि अगर आप सेशन को ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं तो स्टार्टिंग से एंड तक ज्वाइन करके रखिए, उससे आपको कुछ ना कुछ नया सीखने को जरूर मिलेगा. ऐसा नहीं कि सेशन को ज्वाइन किया, अपनी बारी आई और फिर छोड़ के चले गए, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना है. ओके. और एक दूसरे को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना है. जब एक कैंडिडेट बोल रहा हो तो बाकी के सभी कैंडिडेट का जो माइक है वो म्यूट होना चाहिए. ओके. ऑल कैंडिडेट अंडरस्टैंड?
यस सर.
ओके. तो देखिए अभी हम अपना डिस्कशन पार्ट स्टार्ट करेंगे और एक और इम्पोर्टेंट आज इंस्ट्रक्शन आप लोगों के लिए, क्योंकि आज हमारे पास लगभग 16 कैंडिडेट हैं, 15 कैंडिडेट मान लीजिए, एक में खुद 15 कैंडिडेट आप हैं डिस्कशन करने के लिए। तो मैं एक कैंडिडेट को टाइम दे रहा हूँ 3 मिनट का। कितने मिनट का? 3 मिनट का। अभी टाइम हो चुका है अपने पास 8:05। आपके पास 3 मिनट है, 45 मिनट का आपके पास टाइम है डिस्कशन करने के लिए। 50 के ऊपर जब 8:50 हो जाएंगे उस टाइम पे हम लोग अपना जो रिव्यू सेशन है वो स्टार्ट करेंगे। सभी लोग सेशन के अंदर जुड़े रहेंगे और जो बीच में छोड़ के चले जाएगा उसका रिव्यू नहीं दिया जाएगा। ओके। और एक जब कैंडिडेट स्टार्टिंग करता है, मान लीजिए अभी एक चेस्ट नंबर 17 है, उन्होंने बोल दिया, फिर उनको दोबारा से पार्टिसिपेट करना है, तो उनको वेट करना है कि 2 या 3 कैंडिडेट और बोले उनके बीच में। ऐसा नहीं कि चेस्ट नंबर 17 ने बोला, फिर शिव कुमार ने बोला और बैक टू बैक चेस्ट नंबर 17 ने वापस से स्टार्ट कर दिया। ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं होना चाहिए। 2 से 3 कैंडिडेट का अपने खुद का जो चांस आता है रिपीटेशन के अंदर, आपको गैप रखना है। ओके। तो अभी जो आज का अपना सेशन है इसको स्टार्ट करेंगे। आयशा शुक्ला, स्टार्ट।
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I would like to initiate the topic. Old age homes provide us a kind of a atmosphere in old age homes. It is not a personal thing, and it is impersonal. Living there is does not have that personal feeling to them, as they get to their homes. This could give us right to emotional problem in them, and because of that they also miss their children and relatives. And it is our moral duty to look after our parents when they get old, since they have given us their everything, and it is our responsibility to take care of them and take care of their senior citizen as well.
Old age home.
Yes, dear, I agree with your point, but I tell some new point.
Friends, the old age home are for those who want to spend their time joyfully after retirement. And friends, sometimes children go distance place for job or study, and their parents do not have anyone to be taken care. So in such case, senior pupils have good for retirement home. So I think retirement home are should be very good. And friends,
Yes,
sometimes
I'm
the residency of retirement so home do not have to worry about arguments, cleanings, etc. They are free of enjoy their personal or private life. So I think this is an advantage of this place. So I support old age home. Thank you.
Yes, brother, you are
I'm
totally
totally
right.
agree with you, gentlemen.
But
In my views, old age homes are good because old age people can interact, make friends, and enjoy together, and also treated respectfully by their own community. Medical facilities are immediately available at old age homes and makes it easier for earlier in case
Yes,
of
friends, I
emergency.
agree with you. In old age home, they do not feel like a burden. Any of their relatives in old age home, nurses, caretakers, care for their condition, any kind of sickness. They provide very immediately medical, and they provide medical help. So finally, in my opinion, old age homes are quite helpful for those who are unable to live with their family.
Yes, I
Totally
agree
agree
with
with
you.
you. So,
Okay,
I'm
gentlemen, in
totally
my
agree
point
with
of
you
view,
to continue
old age
discussion. I
home
want to
is
say
for
something. No doubt for old age home. No doubt for old age home is it's provide many facilities and also provide old age people's needs products. And at the same time, we can see in children and parents distraction is increasing in day by day, and at the same time childhood and children not likes for their parents and grandparents. So the reason of spreading in old age home.
Yes, I
Yes,
agree
dear,
with
I
you.
agree with
And
you.
old age
In
home
old
that
age,
also
the
the
right
children do
of
not
people,
want to live with
because the old
their
age
parents and
gives
grandparents.
every
Therefore,
facility
they
to
are
spend the next life for the so, but old age homes not provided the not provided the joy of family.
Yes, I
Yes,
agree
my
with
dear
you.
friend,
And old age
sorry
home
to cut
attracts
you in
elders
front of
as
you.
they
This is
provide
not our culture. Old age
companionship
home is not the
because
culture of
elder
Indian
people are
society.
in the
Because
constant
In
company
Indian
of the
societies, the old persons are are is another form of God, because old age homes are the Western cultures. But at present time, it is increasing in India, because the work of a single person will be do from the outside and inside of the house, and they can't take care properly our parents. So the old age homes take care properly the parents.
Yes, I agree with you. And old age home attracts elders as they provide companionship because elderly people are in the constant company of the people of their own age, and they can get relief from the stress and remains happy in the old age homes.
Yes, brother, you
I
are
am
right.
totally agree with you,
When
but
people
I
need
have some
Excuse me, dear friends, let me
disadvantage
place
point
my point
that
anywhere.
in old age in old age home, high
Friends, have
chances
you
of
ever seen sometimes what happens senior people do?
economical problem because it is high cost of service, high chances of emotional problem like depression, headache extra, and limited choice for living space and in food.
Yes, you
Yes,
are
So
friends.
right. In an
Yes,
old age
sometimes
I'm
home,
what
totally
happens
agree with you.
senior
Is
people
old age home
cannot
is
enjoy comfort with their married children and especially with daughter-in-law. So I think this place is better for them and they go for such places. And friends, in such cases, early people want to spend their times with their same age people or community, and they find people like them at and retirement homes. And friends at the age old age pupils need especially care or treatment which they find at such places. They are properly care of nurse etc. and for their regular health checkup like sickness, disability etc. So retirement homes should be there in our society. Would you like to say something, dear friend?
Yes, dear,
I'm
I
totally
agree
agree
with
with
you.
you.
In
Also,
today's
old
world,
age home.
children do not want to live with their parents and grandparents. Therefore, they are thrown in old age home. Nuclear family is one of the main reasons, especially in cities.
Yes, I agree with
I'm
you.
totally
And
agree
when
with
the
you.
parents
And old age, no doubt for old age home also provide facilities. But I want to say something. Old age home disadvantage. Some people do not feel in a old age home feel lonelessly because they not live in a live not want to in our family and in coming is in our country old age home in Western culture and at present we have very high costly for old age home.
Yes, I agree with you. And when the parents or any senior citizen lives alone in the home, the main concern is about their safety because of robbers and the intruders. So the old age home provide them security from intruders and make them live a happy and safe life.
I'm agree with you all, and now I want to explain that we all know that as the fact when we discuss about the fact, we all know that in this time approximately 800 old age homes in India, and when we talk about the Kerala state, then we will found that only there are the 124 old age homes in Kerala. So it's so that how many people they are going to abroad countries in southern part of India, and they are sending their parents to the old age home. But in other way we should understand that from the beginning they are doing the well for their children's, I mean the parents they are doing well work for their children's. So we should understand that why we are sending there to old age homes. I'm not blaming that old age homes are bad, but we should understand that if we are not doing anything for our parents, though it's not a good thing for us.
living in
My dear
an
friend,
old home can be someone's own choice.
it is not
Or
good.
can
It
be
is not good.
someone's
But those old age
circumstances
homes are established in the outside of the cities, and mainly they are pure environment and the proper food and medical facilities to give the old age persons, and in its situations medical team and medical facility will give the old age persons and to give a proper food which one eat and like it.
I
I'm
am
I am
agree.
agreed with my
gladly agree
formula
with the chapter
speaker.
number
Here I would
17.
like to add one more point here.
As he said,
I would
the
like
old age home provide the ultra level of safety. No doubt he provide. But in old age homes, senior citizens feel like a prison because they have a limited space of living space and in food.
Yes, I agree with you.
My
And
point of
most
view
of the
is nowadays in modern era, but every people busy in job and business, so do not have spend money, spend time in old people. So it is a more than cases in nuclear family in cities.
I am agreed with my formal speaker. Here I would like to add one more point here. Friends, we know that old age home is a good initiative by our society.
Yes, I agree with you. And most of the old age home provide individual care for their condition, like in any kind of sickness or medical emergency. And nurses and caretakers make sure that they are comfortable there. And the fact about the old age home is that old age home are usually built in such a manner that the injuries due to domestic furniture should be minimum.
Yes, brother,
Appreciate
but
your point, but I would like to mention one more point that old age homes can be helpful for the people who are old age, and it is very good for them because they can make many more friends at there, because they can interact and learn many more things, and they can also play games at the old age at there. So these homes can be helpful for them who have deprived from their family. Thank you.
Yes, I am totally agree with you. To continue discussion, I want to say something. Old age home is good for old peoples, and many childhood and many youth people no time for.
Love and the support and care.
Need for the
And
specific equipment which places in
it
such
is
places.
to know everyone that it's kind of a blessing to them when their children are living away from their homes for their work. To those old people's old age homes like a blessing because they get the company of the people of their same age or same age group, and those old people who have no child and relatives to take care, it is kind of a blessing for them.
Yes, I'm totally agree with you. At present, we can see in old age home is good for every old people.
Like region many way, like we all know that after the marriage men are slowly moving away from their parents region, maybe many region they, in that case, but the main region which I had seen in my many houses is newly married young women in such homes force their husbands to come out the such bonding called joint family also. So it's also creating the many problems between the parents and their sons.
I'm
I am
totally agree
agreed
with
with
you.
my
I,
formal
I
speaker.
want to
Here I
say
would like
something.
to add
Old
one
age
more
home
point
also
here.
provide the
Friends,
old
we know
people's
that
care
old
also.
age
But
home
at
is a
present we
very
can
good
see in youth.
initiative by
At present, yes, I am totally agree with you. At present we can see in youth. Youth is no time for their education and business, and no time spent for their grandparent and parents, and the reason of spreading in old age home at the same time we can see in youth is involving the most of the day in many time waste in social media. In my point of view, at present youth is many time waste in social media, and they also involve in social media, the main cause of old age home.
So old age home is the concept of the Western culture, because in Western culture there's too much old age home. Like, and right now it is also happening in our countries because of nuclear, enhancing the nuclear and nuclear families, and also in southern part of countries like Kerala, Karnataka, there is a too much old age home because their children are going to the abroad and they are not able to come in India. That's why the people are sending their parents to the old age home.
Sometimes we can say it is good thing for them, because we when you will found the many cases in last months, when you find that many students they kill their parents, so it is not a good thing for them. If they are not doing well their family, then they can send their parents to the old age home. So it's a like a in the old age homes they are doing many works for the old peoples. They are care, they are doing the care with the well manner of these like
I appreciate your point, but I would like to mention one more point, that old age home can be a helpful for those who have left their son and his wife. So
the old age home can be a better option for them because they provide many facilities for them, like they provide the secure future for them, and the old age home provide many facilities like medical, food, etc. They give them proper food and proper diet to live a secure life. Thank you.
Yes, I agree with you.
Totally agree with your point, gentlemen. Here I would like to add one more point here. Friends, we know that the main reason of sending our parents is at old age home is the poverty and the DNS. Both are increasing day by day. We can see many people are not able to make income with all of the family, so they send their parents to old age home because of they are not able to spend money on them, so that's why they are sending. So it is very bad because we have also know this in the past they have also spent money on us, so we should think about it.
As we know, a
Yes, I
grandfather
agree.
is the last friend is their grandson. So that's the grandson also be the friend of their grandfather, and that's the reason that grandfather also be the support of their family, and they need to be supported by their also be their family. So that's the one of the big case of the old age homes, that we provide many security and many food, and but the not to be happiness of a old generation people. So that's the people's the old generation peoples are want to support of their family and regularly meet up them.
Agree to the gentleman. In the we know that the in old age home the old people getting a good facilities regarding their health, regarding their facilities, their eating foods and all things. But these all the things are less than their children love. That is the very important, which they cannot be get without their children.
Yes, here I agree with you. In my opinion, though, old age home give every possible facility to spend their lives, but they cannot fulfill the love of family. Therefore, we should love our parents and grandparents and also look up.
Are created, then the old age homes are go, and the many NGOs are supported the old age homes because many harassment cases for the old persons in a middle class family are increasing, and then they went sent to old age homes and they take care properly.
Yes, I agree.
You
Yes,
are
you are
right.
right.
Is
If the old age
we
home,
can
if the senior citizens are feeling harassment and many type of torture, then the old age home for the best option for the senior citizen, because who are the unable for their children and parents. So it is the best option for the senior citizen.
Yes, you are
Yes, I
right,
agree.
Cadet. No doubt for many NGOs is supporting in old age home, and many cities is harassment of old people, and at the same time we can see in nuclear family is also the main cause of old age home in cities, and. And at the same time we can see in rural areas in joint family, and in our moral duty to respect our parents and grandparents, and also gives time and love for parents and grandparents, because our parents is full of life and full of time invest our life.
Dear
Yes,
friends,
I
I'm
agree with
from
you,
the
and here I
starting we
would
are
like to.
giving time to us to improve ourselves, to old age homes for a very important us in our life. There are many NGOs are helping old age homes. In nuclear joint family is a good old age homes. Child care taking is good in joint family. Old age people and also old age people, and also help for widows in joint family. If joint family is better than nuclear family, nuclear family is not respect for old age homes. Joint family is the greatest example of Indian culture and old civilizations, which provides many facilities, better infrastructure, enhance skill development, and improving skills for many children. So this is a good.
I appreciate your point, but I would like to mention one more point that nowadays nobody wants to be socially attached. At the past time, we have seen that most of the people connected and most of the families connected together. So the old age homes people decrease, and nowadays nobody wants to be socialized. So the member of the old age homes is increasing day by day, and this is not our nation's culture, India, and this is the Western culture. So we should not follow this and make our parents proud. Thank you.
Dear friends, I'm
Yes,
also
I
agree with
want
you.
to add some points like you
Good
are my point
usage
of
in
view
our
that
family. Old
many
age home is
many
a very good
joint
and
families
old
need the
proper
support
medical help in
relations
old age home
and
provide
every
medical help is
grandparent and
immediately provided in old age
grandchildren
homes. Old age homes are
grandchildren dream
individual
to live
conditions
with
for
our
a very
children
good.
and with our
Old age people
grandparents.
is very good. Many NGOs are helping NGOs. First they they later many companies are afforded proper education for their children. NGO is a better way for child caretaking and old age people. Many old age people are good, but they can interact involve in WhatsApp and Twitter etc. They not family relatives, so they are working in one to another place.
Yes, I agree with you. And here I would like to add one more point that old age people can have a community of their own. They can interact with the peoples of their same age and make friends, so they can enjoy together.
Or
Yes, I agree with your
mother,
point.
grandmother,
Other point I want
grandson,
to say
and
that
granddaughter get proper information, moral etiquettes, and the gaining knowledge about the society with the stories of their grandfather and grandmother. So if they are going abroad, if they are going in old age home, then probably their personality development will not happen of a grandson or granddaughter of that person.
Friends, you are absolutely right. I am
But
also
I
agree with
like
you.
to highlight
Old age
one point
people
in
means
our
for senior
discussion as
citizen.
like
Old age
elderly
people is
people
a
feel
very
very blessed with their
citizen
families,
and
and they
family.
wish to
Old age
spend their
people are
whole
having
life
many
and
facilities
with their
like
children
to
and their
blaze our place in cities,
grandchildren.
from to blaze our place in many areas. In rural people is a good for a joint family. Joint family is a prefer to rural people, and rural people provides many facilities like old age people. Old age people Old age people are good. Old age people provides many facilities, medical helps. They are easily available, and old age people so can quite for better help this old age people.
yes, as we
I
Yes,
all
I
am
know,
agree
agree
with
with
you.
my
the
former
old
speaker. Here, I would like to add one more point here. Friends, we know that society also play a crucial role in this topic because we have seen this people influenced by the society like do copycat of them. Like if they send their parents to old age home, so they will also because they in the society the image has created if we will care our old age parents, so we will consider as a submissive. So it is a bad thing in our society. So if society will change the mindset, so it will easily get eradicated from our society. And friends, we know that old age home also made for the abundant people who are not able to who are not able to complete their needs. So it is not for the parents who have their children.
Yes,
Yes,
I
dear
agree
friends,
with
you
you.
are
And the
absolutely
but
right. I
one
am
of the
say
also
biggest
that
agree.
reason.
Joint
care
family
of
is a
the old
good. Joint
adults
family is
is
a
necessary,
financial
but migration
facility is
of the
very good.
younger
So our
generation.
many problems is a joint family. So many easy problems and easily problem solve in joint family. Joint family is a very good. Many members in joint family they can they can promoted us.
Yes,
In
I'm
my
totally agree with
opinion,
you. I want
sometimes
to one
people
more.
can feel not good in our behavior family, so old people want to go to old homes.
I'm
Yes, dear
totally
friend,
agree
I
with you.
agree on
I
this
want
point.
to
In my
add
point of
one
view,
more
old
point.
age people do not
But the
provide
migration of the
many
younger
facilities in present
generation,
time.
lack of
As
proper
we know
care
that
in the
our
family,
education system,
influence
it is not good and proper than uh, before some
Yes, I'm
time.
totally agree with you. I want to add one more point. Also, is highlight at present highlight is old age home, and no doubt for old age home also provide many facilities. But old age home is not our culture, because our culture is saying to also living in our parents, and also order the follow of the head of the family, and joint, and our cultures is saying our parents is our god equal.
Yes, I agree with
I
you.
would
And
like
one
to
of the
say
biggest
that
reason for
many
increasing.
people feel very
Living
blessed
in
with
an
their
old age
families,
home.
and they wish to spend their whole life with their children and their grandchildren. So they are alonging with wants they are loved and respected by their families, but at the same time it is very painful for them when they left alone or send them old age homes. And this care is not for from a one person. This care should be the collective efforts by all the members in the family. So we should thankful to our parents and grandparents who have done everything for us, and have to change their mindset for to send them there in old age homes.
Yes, I
Yes,
agree with you.
also that
And one
living
of
in
the
an
biggest
old.
reason for the increasing number of old age home is brain drain. Because when the people do not get a proper job in their country, then they shift in another country, and their parents are left alone in home. So they have to shift in old age home.
Okay, I'm agree with your point, and I want to say that now care of the older adult is necessary. But in my opinion, like but the migration of younger generation, lack of proper care in the family, influencing houses, economy, hardship, and breakup of the joint family have increased. This is the reason they don't get proper care and attention because of they lost their self confidence and the inner motivation. So that's why they are sending their parents to the old age homes. In my opinion.
Yes, brother, but living in an old age home can be someone's own choice or can be someone's circumstances. But also living in an old age home is not desirable for every old citizen. Most of the citizens find it very difficult to live in an old age home away from their families. But also, old age home aim to provide supportive and caring environment. Old age people and old people living in old age home where old people live, and safety is definitely an issue for senior citizens. The steady security is an old age home. Thank you.
I'm agree
Yes,
with
here
you.
I
But
agree
in
with
this
you.
time, that they are getting more things, like they are getting all the probability in the old age homes. The old peoples they are getting all facilities in the old age homes. But in my opinion, like it's an important thing to know them that they are not getting the love of their sons. So it's an important thing for them.
I
Yes, here
appreciate
I
your
agree
point, but
with
I would
you.
like to
People are
mention one
busy
more
with their
point that
job and they do not have time to spend with old people. Therefore, sometimes we have seen even elderly people leave the home willingly.
I appreciate your point, but I would like to mention one more point that old age home help many people to save their life every day, because many of the people get depressed initially because they have to left their home or their own home and old child, so they become so depressed and initially get demolished, and their body parts get becoming ruined. So the old age home helps them to live their life. Thank you.
Dear friends,
Gentlemen,
Yes,
my
it is
point
my
of
formal
view,
speaker,
old
and
age
I would
home
like to
people
add one
do
more
not
point
feel
here.
the burden
Friends,
over
old age
their
people helps for
families,
widows
and
and old age
their
people. Child
relatives. So old
caretaking
age
in
people
old age people.
enjoy
Joint
their
family is
same
a
age
good
and
for
elders
old age homes.
age.
Old age homes are good because they can interact, involve in WhatsApp and Twitter etc. Because
Dear
is
friends,
this
I agree on this point. In my point of view, as we know that our education system it is not good. Another before sometimes, in present time, every people it depend of the technology and not connected with the another pupils. It is main impact of the old age pupils, and it is not provide of the facilities of the old age pupils. It is main
I
impact.
am totally
And I agree
agree
with
to your
you.
point,
I agree
gentlemen.
with
But
you.
here I would like to
Old age
add one more
homes
point
are
here, friends. We
facilities become
cannot totally give
affordable among
give
the old
fault
age
to
homes
our
are
education
the purpose
system,
of
friends.
middle
We
class
know
family
that
only because
it is
middle class
not
family
only
can't have
about the
time to
education
take
system,
care of the
because
old parents, and business class family
Dear
affordable
friends,
because
you are
many
absolutely
persons
right. I'm also agree with you.
can't
Old
pay
age homes
properly
are
for
meant
the
for
old age
senior
homes.
citizens. Old age homes are a good step for a joint family. Joint family is a good for old age people and provides like medical facilities and other facilities etc. So in my perspective, as we all know that
Old age homes are good for senior citizens. Many people are helped in old age people. NGOs, first of all, they can providing many facilities for old age people. Thank you.
I appreciate your point, but I would like to mention one more point here, that there are a lot of disadvantages of old age home. As we know that old age home doesn't provide you the privacy, because there are many people who are living in the old age home. So there is one person don't given to its privacy. Thank you.
My opinion, the big problem
Yes,
of
dear
old
friends,
age
old
homes
age
are
people is a
solved.
very good people because it is not feel of the any burden in our life and physically, mentally of the fit. It is impact of the old age pupils.
Okay, gentlemen, in my point of view, some old age homes people do not feel burden in their families and their relatives. So old age homes people will enjoy together with their elders and same age peoples.
Friends, you are
In
absolutely
my
right. I am
opinion,
also agree with you. So finally, I would like to add more point. Old age homes are good. Old age people are a retirement home. Old age people helps for widows and old age people. They can afford many children and proper educations. Many children's child caretaking is good, and a joint family is better for old age people. So this is good.
I am agreed with my formal speaker. Here, I would like to add one more point here. Friends, one of my formal speakers said about the education system. But we don't give fault to our education system because education don't teach us. Manner teach us to how to show the love to our parents. So in this point, parents have also some faults in the starting of that age, which they have to learn the manner in the starting of their children age, because when they will learn the manner to the children, so it will so they will not do this type of activity in future. So we can see in our society where dominant parents always we can see they don't go to the old age home, they always stay with their children. So dominancy of parents is very good. So our parents and other parents should do this type of activity, which will avoid this type of activities.
Yes, my dear friends, I
Yes, I'm
agree with
agree with
you.
your
In
point that
rural
as you
in
said that
rural areas,
education
we see that
with
3 to 4
yes with
generations are
that
living in a single house and they live very happily. But on the other hand, we see that in a rural area, in a urban areas, and in a nuclear family, one parents and one children are can't live happily and can't afford to live in a one house. Then the old persons can't burden on the child and go on the old age homes, and they can't live with the childrens, and can't afford by the childrens.
Like to continue
They
discussion.
do
I want to put my
on unable to stay where is there due on
Most children may be unable to offer enough care for their elderly parents. As previously, the seniors have a variety of requirements that must be met. If these needs are not fulfilled, it will have determinantal impact on their emotional, psychological, and spiritual health. When the kids understand they will not be able to care for their folks owing their employment or their obligations, they resort to retirement communities to help within the facility. Their parents will receive all of the help and support they need, allowing them to enjoy their sunset years. Thank you.
Yes, yeah, I agree with you. In my opinion, though old age home give every possible facility to spend their life, but they cannot fulfill the love of family. Therefore, we should love our parents and grandparents and also look after them.
Dear friends, you are absolutely right. I am also agree with you. In my opinion, old age people not in
People
sitting
have
in the
very
home,
problems,
but
as
there
the
are many
most
places
important problems
called
they
one
face
to
are
another
that
places.
they
Old
are
age people are
neglecting their
good.
own
They
health.
cannot they cannot proper living in rural areas because they are
Everyone is blaming the children, but in my opinion, the family is not always responsible for placing their aging parents in an elderly home. The parents themselves can sometimes make a choice. Some seniors would rather not be nuisance to their children and choose to spend their peak years on their own.
I appreciate your point, but I would like to mention one more point here that that nowadays people sending their parents to the old age home, but this is not good for the future generation, and this is not
Yes,
a
dear.
good sign for the future generation because it is providing and it is sending the message that if we do that type of thing, then the future generation also will do the same type of thing for us. So it is not giving a social message, social healthy social message for the environment. Thank you.
Yes, you are right. To continue the discussion,
And I
I
would like
want
to
to
say
put my
something here.
views about the old age homes. That old age spreading of the old age homes are sin for the our culture, in my point of view, as we are living from the ancient times in the joint family and treated our parents like gods, treating our parents and grandparents like the god. But nowadays we are observing in the Western culture and blindly following the Western culture to become a modern class family.
Yes,
Yes,
dear friends, I may
I
agree on
Excuse me, dear friend, let me finish.
our
अरे सुनाया दे यार
in
तुम
announce the new it is meant to have not only a rural area.
Yes, I want to add one more point. I'm not say too bad of old age home,
Homes.
but our responsibility for our concern, our dear parents' concerns and parents' feelings, we can understand because our parents is going to old age home, they feel lonelessly and they feel not good for old age homes. So our responsibility and moral duty to our parents to their more love.
dear friends,
I
your
am agree with
opinion
my formal speaker. Here I would like
good. Joint family are
Today's
a good for old age
today's
people.
people have
Joint
faced
family
many
provide
problems, and the
good
most important
financial
problem of these
facilities.
is
So this
are they are
provide. They
prioritizing
cannot
their
feel in
own health
loneliness.
and the
There are many
social
members in
health
a
of
joint
elders
family.
fear
Is a better than
discussion,
for old
and
age people.
sometimes it feels the isolation and feeling of boredom, also a main problem, and the financial support are not getting. So if we want to eradicate these kind of problems, then we are able to there is no need to send our parents in the old age homes, and these are kind of problems in today's era faced by the all mostly the elders of the people in all over the world.
Okay, I am agreed with my formal speaker. Here I would like to add one more point here. Friends, we know that old age home is good, but those children who are able to take financial burden of their parents, but they are still sending their parents to old age home. So our government should the strict action on that type of activities because it can also considered in a like a crime because they are sending their parents to a stranger's area. So we should concern about it. And at the last of GD, I would like to add a phrasal verb which is perfectly for over there, which is as you sow, so shall you reap.
Yes, dear
Yes,
friend,
sir,
your
modern
opinion
home
is
is a
right. I
culture of
also
Indian
agree with you. In
society
my
because it is
opinion,
a
joint family is a
Western
financial
culture,
condition is a
and
bad
old age
is a
homes,
loneliness,
old persons
loneliness is moved impact
want to live
of what
with
their
our children
alone
at a last
people
time,
can interact
and
well
Excuse me, dear friend,
and
let
we
me,
want.
in many places
excuse me,
and
let me please enter the
many
document and
are
speak one
living
by
in
one.
old age people. So this is a good for
Anjali,
old
please
age
behave.
people. Old age is meant for senior citizens and old age people are called a requirement home. Many parents are not suitable for their grandparents and grandmothers, so they can leave their houses and living another on the another place. they cannot responsibility for our they can responsibility for our parents but not provide better facilities to old age people.
Yes, dear, I agree with you. Some say that the old age home are for the safety and look after the old people, but at the same time, it just show the indifference of youth toward their parents.
In my view, in old age provides a very very help.
In my opinion, old age home and the orphanage should be combined so that the old age citizens can get the children and the orphan children can get the parents.
I would like to say something here. So retirement home या old age home are for those who want to spend their time joyful after retirement, and especially those people who do not comfortable his home, especially for daughter-in-law. So this place is very good for those people. And friends, sometimes people are detached and do spend their times in even uh, friends and others. So this place is very good. Do you like to say something?
You are absolutely right. I'm also agree with you. Old age homes meant for senior citizens. Old age homes quite for very people. Many parents are this responsibility, so can help in old age people. So many parents are not afford for old age people, and old age people from one to another place they cannot provide better facilities. So at old age people, these people dear fear of many parents are like a left for homes and they can interact of their family relatives.
I appreciate your point, but I would like to mention one more point here that we all know that old age home is not a government organization. Most of the old age home charge some money to live there. So if the people don't have money or facing the problem of poverty cannot join the old age home, so it is not helpful for them. Thank you.
You are right. It's not start by our government and not add for our constitution. Our and it comes for Western culture, culture, and our country is like people. So is coming day by day in our country.
भाई रिव्यू करा दो।
Yes, my dear friend, I agree with you. In the last stage of anyone persons want to live with your family and spend more time with you with our family. But if the old age person and in a nuclear family, old persons go to the old age homes and can't live with last time with our family. They live with old persons and new friends to create at a new place, and they live with these persons. And old age homes are not a culture of Indian society. It is a Western cultures, and it is not good for our society because it promote the old persons to go this place. And but the old persons want to live with our family, and because old persons are live in a home, and they give the blessings to the childrens, and celebrate many festivals, and give the right direction in a critical situation.
Gentlemen, in my point of view, sometimes old people feel the misbehavior in families and relative and society. So old people want to go to the old age homes. Okay, sir. Review.
What happened, guys?
Okay, candidates, now we start our रिव्यू सेशन. ओके, तो आप लोग बेसब्री से, आप लोगों ने एक तो देखो, थोड़ी सी पहले आप लोगों की मिस्टेक्स बता देता हूँ. ओवरऑल सभी की मिस्टेक है. एक तो आप लोगों ने जो, 1 मिनट आप लोग वेट कीजिए, एक कॉल आ रहा है मेरे पास, उसको अटेंड करके फिर से ज्वाइन करता हूँ 2-3 मिनट के अंदर आपको. ओके, एक इंपॉर्टेंट कॉल है. चेस्ट नंबर 17 के है क्या अपने पास? हाँ, तो चेस्ट नंबर 17 आप देखिए कि आपको कोई भी इंप्रूवमेंट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपका अच्छा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ओके, आप जैसा आज आपने कंटिन्यू किया उसी तरीके से आप कंटिन्यू करते रहिए. चेस्ट नंबर 17. और जो कैंडिडेट है आदित्य, आपका जो सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन एंड अबाउट द टॉपिक पार्ट है, इन दोनों को जब आप ऐड करते हैं, दोनों साथ में बोलते हैं, तो उस टाइम पे आपके अंदर थोड़ा सा हेजिटेशन है, तो उसको थोड़ा सा रिमूव कीजिए. बाकी आपका ओवरऑल अगर परफॉर्मेंस देखी जाए तो वो बहुत अच्छी है. ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट अजय गिल, आपका अच्छा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. अनिकेत कुमार, आपका भी अच्छा था. निशु यादव, आपका भी बहुत अच्छा था, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. नेक्स्ट मैं बात करना चाहूंगा जयश्री दादा कृष्णा के बारे में. तो देखिए, आपका ओवरऑल जो परफॉर्मेंस है वो अच्छी है, लेकिन आपको एक बात बताना चाहूंगा कि जो आपका अबाउट द टॉपिक है, और जब आप टॉपिक के बारे में बोलते हैं, डिस्कशन करते हैं, तो उसके अंदर आपकी एक फ्लुएंसी नहीं आ पा रही है. तो फ्लुएंसी लेके आइए. पॉइंट्स आपके अच्छे हैं, बोलते आप अच्छा है, लेकिन जो एक फ्लुएंसी आनी चाहिए वॉइस के अंदर, आपकी वो फ्लुएंसी नहीं आ रही है. तो इसके ऊपर आप थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिए.
कैसे आएगी?
देखो, वो प्रैक्टिस के माध्यम
कैसे
से आएगी.
आएगी?
देखो, वो प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए आप. और एक जो अपना टॉपिक है उसको आप अपने शब्दों में पहले लिखिए, उसकी लिख लिख के प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. आपका जो टॉपिक आपको दिया जाता है तो उसको आप तैयार कीजिए. ओके, नेक्स्ट कैंडिडेट की मैं बात करता हूं तो वो है हर्षित कुमार. हर्षित कुमार, आपकी जो स्पीड है वो थोड़ी सी ज्यादा है, थोड़ी सी स्पीड को स्लो कीजिए. ओवरऑल आपका अच्छा था, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.